This video is based on leaks and rumors. Nothing mentioned here is fully confirmed by Samsung. Early leaks suggest the Samsung S26 Ultra is getting a major design refresh. A slimmer titanium frame, softer curved edges, and a new pill-shaped camera layout. Samsung is refining the Ultra series for a more premium, modern look. Leaks point to a sharper 200-megapixel main camera and improved AI processing, giving the S26 Ultra its biggest photo upgrade yet. Leaks hint at a more efficient battery system on the S26 Ultra. With a possible jump to 5,400 mAh and faster 60-watt charging, Samsung may finally be pushing longer endurance and quicker top-ups to the next level. Leaked reports suggest the S26 Ultra could feature a 12-megapixel IMX874 front camera and support a new APV video codec for sharper, high-quality recordings. Rumors say the S26 Ultra will pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, bringing faster AI processing, smoother performance, and major efficiency gains. Leaks suggest the Samsung S26 Ultra could feature a 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels. Expect brighter colors, smoother refresh rates, and Samsung's most immersive screen yet. Leaks suggest the S26 Ultra will keep the S Pen, now with a curvier design, improved magnetic compatibility, and possible digitizer changes for Qi 2 charging support. These are the latest leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's expected to launch around early 2026. Let's wait and see what Samsung brings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.